हेलो व्यूवर्स, वेलकम टू इम्पॉर्टेंट न्यूज़ डोज सीरीज़। ये सीरीज़ आपकी जनरल नॉलेज को बूस्ट करेगी और जो स्टूडेंट्स एग्ज़ाम के लिए प्रिपरेशन ले रहे हैं उसके लिए भी बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होगी। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। द फर्स्ट पॉइंट, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ लॉ एंड जस्टिस published for the first time the translation of the Constitution of India in the Santhali language. This was published on the occasion marking what centenary year of the OY Chiki script used for Santhali language, developed by Pandit Raghunath Murmu in 1925. Santhali language was included in the 8th schedule of the Constitution through the 92nd Constitutional Amendment Act 2003. The next point, the 40th Asian Waterbird Census will be conducted on January 2025 at the Godavari estuary in the Andhra Pradesh. The next point, Indian Coast Guard formally inducted Samudra Pratap, India's first indigenously designed and built pollution control vessel, at Goa Shipyard Limited in Vasco da Gama, Goa. The next point, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship has invited industries to participate in PM Setu scheme. What is the full form of PM Setu? Stands for Pradhan Mantri Skilling and Employability Transformation through Upgrades ITIs. It is centrally sponsored scheme under the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. And the last point, Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan released a book, Economic Empowerment of Bharat in the Modi Era, authored by Professor Dr. Sikandar Kumar, Member of Parliament. Thank you.